Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing a carpet cleaner built specifically for homes with pets, the Hoover SmartWash Pet Automatic Carpet Cleaner Machine with Spot Chaser Wand. This machine is designed to remove deep dirt, pet hair residue, and odor-causing stains with minimal effort. What makes the SmartWash Pet stand out is its automatic cleaning technology. There are no trigger buttons to press. When you push the machine forward, it automatically sprays the cleaning solution and scrubs the carpet. When you pull it back, it automatically switches to powerful suction and drying. This push forward to clean, pull back to dry system reduces user error and ensures consistent deep cleaning every time. The brush roll system provides strong mechanical agitation. This agitation loosens embedded dirt, dried spills, and pet-related stains from deep within carpet fibers. From a cleaning science perspective, agitation plus detergent breaks surface tension and allows stains to lift more effectively, which is why this machine performs better than basic vacuuming alone. For targeted messes, the Spot Chaser Wand is a major advantage. It allows you to treat stairs, upholstery, pet beds, and corners without dragging the full machine. This is especially useful for fresh pet accidents, where quick extraction prevents odor molecules from binding permanently to carpet fibers. The SmartWash Pet also includes separate clean and dirty water tanks. This separation ensures you're always cleaning with fresh solution, not recirculated dirty water. When paired with a Hoover carpet cleaner solution, the surfactants and enzymes in the formula help break down organic stains like urine, vomit, and food spills, key for odor control in pet homes. Drying performance is another highlight. Strong suction removes excess moisture, which reduces drying time and lowers the risk of mildew or lingering smells. The result is carpets that feel cleaner, fresher, and softer underfoot. Overall, the Hoover SmartWash Pet is ideal for pet owners, families, and anyone who wants professional-style carpet cleaning without complicated controls. If this review helped you, consider buying through the Amazon link below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel for more honest product reviews.